Hey Vivian, it's Albert here. So I'm going to go over this real quick with you. So go ahead and log into your WordPress. Go to you're going to click your ClickFunnels plugin here. All right. You're going to go to your settings. All right. Go down to general settings here. So we just want to try something. So right now, if your general settings is on embedded full page iframe, you want to select this. You want to hit download and display right here. All right. All right. Now, if it's already here on download and display, switch that. So try this, try selecting that. Okay. And then save settings. And then I would refresh your pages and clear all of your cookies. I would definitely clear your data. All right. From there. And then I'll send you a tutorial on clearing your data and your temp files from your computer as well. It's real simple. Takes less than a minute. All right, and it won't hurt anything. It's just it's where all the junk files are stored. All right. So we'll try that. Okay. Now, if that does not work, then you're going to go over to your plugins. Okay. So you would go to your installed plugins, right, and go delete that. Okay. Now, once you deleted it, you would go back to plugins and go to add new. Here, let's just go to your installed plugins, or our installed plugins here. Okay, so here's the plugins. We know this is what it looks like. If I'm ready to deactivate it, right, I'm going to go ahead and select it, and then I'll go ahead and deactivate it, and it'll go ahead and start that process. Okay. Now, when you're ready to download it again or install it, you're going to go back up to add new, and then you'll go ahead and type it in. So I would take a screenshot, with your phone or something, or even on your computer. You can take a screenshot. Excuse me. Get rid of this here. All right, now you can take a screenshot using this here, right? Your snipping tool, you would just hit new, and then you would stretch it out and take a picture. All right, that way just so you have for your peace of mind, you know exactly what you have here, right? If you go through and delete these and want to reinstall them, you won't have any confusion. You'll know exactly what you have. Okay. All right. So when you go to add new, you can just come here. Let's go to ClickFunnels, and there you go. All right, and then you'll have your what's it called here? Your plugins right here. Let's see, ClickFunnels LLC. I believe it is this one. Let's see, fast ClickFunnels, connect to ClickFunnels account. Oh, okay, yeah. So it's going to be this one. Yeah, your Edison LLC is our company here. So I'm not sure exactly what this is. All right, so go ahead when you come here, go ahead and type in ClickFunnels and just make sure you have this one. All right, just go ahead and you can install it. All right, it's already installed. So I have an active icon here. As you can see, these are not. You will have an install now over here once you delete this. Okay. All right. And next in your funnels, here we are in your account, and I will need you to show me. Let me just check your funnels here real quick. Exactly what funnel you're having the issue with. Okay. All right. Thanks. I'll also need whatever funnel step that you're having issues with, okay, as well. All right, so go through all that and go ahead and let me know what the result is, okay, after you redo the plugin, like delete it and then re-add it and all that stuff, okay? All right, thanks.